What's inside there? What kind of plant is that? What is that saying? Oh my god. Oh look, there's more lions, look. There's a big...
It's gonna eat you.
Nice.
House. Nothing inside.
Oh.
Wow, it's empty. Wow. Wow.
Oh my god, look at us. We came here to see you. Yeah.
There's bees over there. We're going there.
Are we not going here?
Wait.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello. I said before.
Oh ja, der catch. Ja, die catch.
This posture is so weird. Did you see? Huli. It looks like he's dancing. Did you see?
Wow, look at this.
We got people like a jungle.
This counter, do you reckon we'll get to like...
London recovery.
Oh, that's
Playing too much football. Playing too much football.
Maybe it's that. Maybe the other two are in another one.
Maybe. This one here, I think we should...
TP.
It's not kangaroo, it's a wallaby. It's the same thing, almost. I'm on ice recorded.
Hamza? Como que é?
Oh my god.
That's nice. See you a bit. Oh. How do you know I'm still
to bend over the thing and show the
Okay, that's enough.
There's no lion in there. No tiger. Okay, so should you? Food in it, it's like you.
Oh.
You have to eat.
We've got really natural behaviours, they're really motivated to show, and if we don't give them the chance to express those behaviours, then it can actually be quite bad for them. So part of keeping them happy and healthy is we want to encourage as many natural behaviours as possible. And one thing you see in a lot of cat species, including our tigers, is a very motivated behaviour. It's their play behaviour. They love to play. And if you think, just to give you an idea of the kind of size and strength we're talking about. So the first one I've got here, oh here come the girls.
Oh, it's the second one.
So have a good look around to make sure we haven't left any food for them before deciding what they want to do.
Why is it limping?
So I tell you what, as the girls have joined us, I'd love to tell you who's who and a little bit more about their background, where they came from. So the first one that came out, over on the right hand side, she just sniffed that beer keg and then walked off. That is Zoppa. And Zoppa's quite easy to tell apart from our other tigers. Firstly because she's got short whiskers compared to the other two. And also because she's got a really noticeable limp on her front leg, and that's something I'll say a bit about in just a minute. The other two tigers we have are Natasha and Antonella. They've both got longer whiskers than Zoppa, so if you look at their faces you can tell them apart. And if you want to tell Natasha and Antonella apart from each other, and Antonella might rather be hanging back. Antonella is a bit over the other two girls. Sometimes she'd rather just hang out in the bushes and relax rather than playing like our two younger girls. Now these two tigers all came to us together in 2018, and yeah, unfortunately they actually spent most of their life up until that point in a travelling circus around Europe, so they really didn't have the best start to life. So we do get asked a lot with Zoppa, who's limping, what happened to her paw? And the simple answer is we don't exactly know, because they came from a circus background, we don't have a full medical record, we don't know exactly what happened to her paw or when. But when she arrived, one of the first things we did was our vet team sedated her so they could x-ray that paw and see what was going on. And it looks like it's an old fracture where she fractured her paw and it didn't heal properly. Now we suspect this happened a long time ago, firstly from the x-rays, but also because her name Zoppa is Italian and it actually translates to mean lame. So she's named lame after the fact that she was limping. And what you find with Zoppa there is she, unfortunately, because it's such a speaking, so she's really active, really playful. It certainly doesn't seem to slow her down at all, the fact that she has that limp. She's got a really good attitude of her homes here. And yes, they do look incredibly sweet and playful when they're out and about like this. But what I was going to show you to demonstrate exactly how strong and how powerful these guys are before they came out was this. So what I've got here is not a real skull, it's a replica skull. But it is to scale and it's a tiger skull. So it basically shows you. There we go. So I said these guys are playful and that's something we definitely want to encourage.
How did you do that?
We have to constantly be thinking of new things we can give them. And a lot of what we have to give them has to be very, very indestructible. And unfortunately that means a lot of toys that are made for big cats aren't quite expensive. People want to do their exchange and pockets. Because we put that towards our cat's toy fund. We get through a lot of toys here with our tigers.
It jumped inside a bush.
And the big takes her favourite, so she'll very much go over to that. Okay, good girl. Now, as well as play behaviour, there are other normal behaviours that we really want to encourage to keep these guys happy and healthy. The first one is a bit unusual. Most cats don't like water, they don't like swimming. They need rehoming. Oh, she's come back. Brilliant. We also are very passionate about making sure these guys have a future out in the wild. So we do a lot of conservation work, and one place we've been supporting for years now, we're really proud to be able to support, is the Badger Tiger Reserve in India. So that's a reservation where tigers have got a safe space to be able to thrive and survive out in the wild. Because that's what we want to see ultimately, is these guys having a future in their natural habitat. So the Badger Tiger Reserve really does help them, because unfortunately all the subspecies of tigers are either the endangered, mostly down to poaching and hunting, but also habitat loss and climate change as well affecting their habitats too. So we're really pleased to be able to support the Badger Tiger Reserve. And by visiting today, everyone here has also already helped wild tigers. You should have noticed part of the entry fee to get in is a donation. That goes straight to the Wild Heart Trust, our charity, and through that charity we
We got people that can jump.
That's counter. Do you reckon we'll get to like...
One thing to go. There's one there. What's that?
Camouflage.
Okay, now you back away. Hey, walk on, G. Walk on, man. Keep feeding it. Keep feeding it. Keep feeding it. Well done.
They're super friendly. Make it jump, let it jump, let it jump. Whoa, wow. That's scary. It's a goat, it's not going to eat you. A donkey, please.
I'm scared of wild cats. Could do anything.
No, this is going to cut you so hard.
Sorry, what? That's a beach. Wait, can I see the water? Ya, ini mau nak kesal.
Apa aku lihat dulu mana? Mana sakon? Itu sama. Hello, dude.
So I got 100 tickets.
Bella. Ella got mad.
I got 1 ticket.
Oh my god, look at that.
Okay. What do you use them for?
So it's fast. No. Come on now.
25. I'll take 25. I'll take 25.
Winner. 19. What are you even going to do with these tickets?
What
are you going to do?
We're going to get $1.
£7.
£1.
Oh, £1.
£1.
I thought that said £10.
Coach, I'll show you how to cash out. Put it inside. You go put it in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Oh my god.
Come on. Chale now. Sure. I'll get an extra ticket.
86.
88.
88. It said 90, didn't it?
Where's my other receipt? Oh,
Should I keep it? Should I keep it?
I keep it.
I'll keep it for you. How much is this?
Okay,